Hi, my name is Prateek and I'm the founder of SenseNxt GPS tracking system. In this video, we will try to learn about the differences between a GPS and a GPS tracker system. GPS is actually a global positioning system, which is a type of global navigation satellite system owned by the US government. It can determine the exact location of anything. It doesn't need any type of internet connection for this. It actually does this through an electronic chip-based receiver which uses mathematical calculations on the received signals from the satellites to determine the position of the chip. Whereas a GPS tracker uses the same system but to transmit the location determined to a different location using a network connection or store the data in an onboard memory. Some people understand that GPS navigation and GPS trackers are the same, but that is not the case. GPS navigation consists of only a receiver to determine the location and display that data on a screen to use further, whereas a tracker is used to send the same location data to a remote user or server for further use. This data transmission requires a data network or connection like a wired or wireless network, including mobile internet, 3G or 4G connections, etc. That is all for now. Till we meet again, thank you. Have a great day.